think you need Daddy Pawpaw for this one, okay? Get them sales. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Rashawn. Today's video is brought to you by Hairvivi. Pause. Hairvivi has curly wigs? Yes, Hairvivi has curly wigs. Wait, what? Since when? Who knew? Clearly not me. I mean, okay, let's go ahead and get back into it. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. As always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted fall. Can't hold our love against the wall. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Baby, I don't wanna fight. It has to hurt, that's all I know it's right. But you won't feel the pain alone. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Yeah. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. My dear love, love is forgotten, so I had to move. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. Yeah, yeah, we did our best until the very end. But goodbye.
Get through to you, yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will undertake you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen.
So, like I said, this unit comes to us from Hairvivi. I have done so many of their units on my channel, and I still did not know that they had curly units. And they got a couple of them. And I was like, oh, okay. Okay, I like curly units, so you know, thank you. It is their Deja Curly Bob. I got it in a 14-inch, and all the specs I got for my unit are right here on the screen, including the price, so you are not speechless when you go ahead and check this unit out for yourself. Now, we are in the holiday season, okay, so you know the sales are coming, okay, they coming. So make sure you go ahead and bookmark this video and double back during that Black Friday sale, because listen, you're gonna want the looks, trust me. I don't think you need Daddy Pawpaw for this one, okay? Get them sales. Now, outside of all that, this unit does come with the piano keys elastic band, so you can wear this unit glueless. However, you saw my put down, I did spray my unit down just to give me the look that I wanted, because I wanted to make sure I had my ear tabs adjusted nicely so I can put this unit behind my ear. I didn't want any hair in my face today. I wanted to show this hairline off because, listen, do y'all see this hairline? Okay, pre-plucked, clean, bleached, 13x6 hairline. Like, they in a league of their own. You hear me? Like, I also am surprised because they did send me the faux scalp on my unit, and normally they send me the cappuccino, which I thought was the color that I needed for my scalp, but I'm pretty sure they sent me the mocha this time. And y'all, do we see the fake scalp? I mean, I'm pretty sure it's right there, but compared to what it normally looks like on my head with that cappuccino color, I mean, I guess mocha is the flavor. You hear me? Give me the melanin, all right? I'm here for it. But if you don't want the fake scalp, you can definitely tell them not to add it when you order your unit, okay? The curl texture of this unit is very soft and low maintenance. I didn't have no tangling with this unit. I did get some shedding when I went in to use my detangler brush though to comb through the unit, because I thought I was gonna have some snags like I normally do with other curly units. No. As soon as I wet the unit to do my co-wash, it was already like sleek and ready to go. The less tangles I have when I go in to detangle my unit, the less shedding I will have after the fact, okay? And I didn't really have a lot of shedding with this one, but I did get some shedding with it, so be mindful of that. It is a curly unit, so you kind of expect some shedding. The hair, like I said, is very soft, it's very manageable. It was very easy to style my curls, nothing crazy going on. You saw the products that I used. If you didn't, go ahead and rewind, and they're also linked below in my Amazon store, so you know you can check them out too. You get a 13x6 parting space, so you can part it all the way up in here. Like, you can do some things for some change, okay? Because it does cost a pretty penny for this joint. But I will say, this is one of the most low maintenance curly units that I've ever tried on my channel, basically because it comes with everything already ready to go. And I know a lot of people are going to ask about the lace. I'm pretty sure this is HD lace on this unit. HD lace is real fine. It's real thin. Like, it's almost like it will rip if you even like pull it too hard. This lace is a little bit thicker, but I'm pretty sure they still consider it to be their HD lace, so it does melt down pretty much, you know, seamlessly, so I'm here for that. And then as far as the sturdiness of the lace, it's not going to rip too easy, so you know, still be careful with it. But as far as, you know, you taking this unit off and on, you should be just fine, okay? I do wish there was some layers in this unit just to give me my all-around look, but you know, I ain't mad at it. I can definitely cut some layers into this unit if I choose to, but I don't feel like it today. That's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Hairvivi for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.